Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on the ThousandEyes Mobile Endpoint Agent, part of our Endpoint Agent portfolio. As part of ThousandEyes Endpoint Experience, the Mobile Endpoint Agent helps IT and help desk teams assure mobile experiences by providing visibility into dependencies that are specific to mobile-enabled use cases, such as device performance, Wi-Fi, 4G and 5G data networks, and ISP networks. This Android application works on mobile devices and Zebra scanners, and it can be installed via Google Play or deployed through mobile device management systems like Intune. In this session, we'll walk through the installation process, how to activate agents using a QR code, exploring mobile-specific telemetry data available in ThousandEyes, and how to configure tests and view performance metrics on your dashboard. Let's start by looking at how you'd install the application on your mobile device. First, go to the Google Play Store. Search for ThousandEyes Endpoint Agent, and then click Install. Once the application has been successfully installed, you'll see the app icon on your mobile device. Launch the application, click Get Started, and then agree to the terms of service. To make sure your agent is correctly associated with your ThousandEyes organization, you'll need to scan a QR code. We'll show you where to get this QR code from the ThousandEyes platform in just a moment. Once the agent is activated, you'll be prompted to grant a few necessary permissions, including location access, background activity, and phone permissions. These permissions are required for the successful operation of the agent to ensure it can perform all necessary functions. With all required permissions granted, the agent will launch and become active. Alternatively, you can deploy the agent using an MDM system such as Intune to automate the installation process. Let's see how this looks in Intune. Within the Intune Admin Center, navigate to Apps and select Android. In order to add the application to Microsoft Intune, go to Create and select Managed Google Play App. Then search for ThousandEyes and proceed with the application installation there. Once the application has been installed and the necessary configuration, including permissions and the connection string, has been provided, the app will be automatically deployed and associated with your ThousandEyes organization. When deploying via MDM, the QR code scanning process isn't required as the connection details are handled automatically. For detailed instructions on installation using Microsoft Intune, please refer to the installation guide linked in the video description. Now let's go back to the ThousandEyes platform to see where you can find the QR code we just discussed and what kind of data you can get from the mobile agent. Navigate to Endpoint Experience, then Agent Settings, and click Add New Endpoint Agent. Here you'll find a new section specifically for Android. This is where you can get the QR code or copy the connection string for use with your MDM solution. As you can see, we have several mobile agents already onboarded here. Let's select one of them to look at the data available from a single agent's perspective. This is what we call the single agent view. Immediately, you can see the agent's location, version, and IP addresses. To view the connection data from this agent, simply select the relevant tab. Here we can see that this agent is operating on a mobile 4G network. The platform collects a wide range of critical data points, including connection score, interference, and signal strength. This information is very useful when troubleshooting mobile data issues. The process for configuring tests for mobile agents is the same as for our regular endpoint agents. You can create a test and assign it directly to your mobile agent. Please note that the mobile endpoint agent can run up to 4 tests concurrently with a minimum test interval of 5 minutes. It's also very easy to filter mobile agents within the ThousandEyes platform. You can use the platform filter to easily identify Android-based endpoint agents. Simply click Add Filter, select Platform, and choose Android. This makes sure you only see Android-based agents. And finally, when we look at the dashboard, you can see the telemetry data from mobile agents that are actively running tests. So we can see details like agents installed, HTTP availability, packet loss, latency, jitter, and HTTP response time. We also get a breakdown of the connection type here. Thanks for watching this tutorial on installing and using the Mobile Endpoint Agent to help your team assure quality digital experiences on your mobile-enabled business applications.